Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI. Whenever I want to eliminate odor in my home, I use these little odor removing packets by FreshWave. They are awesome. They remove odor no matter where I put them in my home. I can put them in my bathroom and it smells awesome in my bathroom. I also use them in my closet because sometimes it gets stuffy in there. I love the way it gives a nice lemony scent to my closet. I tuck them away in smelly shoes. They do wonders. They eliminate the odors in that area and I love it. In my car, I would rather smell a fresh, natural scent rather than an overpowering car freshener. I love these little packets because they are 100% natural ingredients. They last a very long time, up to 60 days. That's a long time. I love them because they're so small, I could travel with them anywhere I go. They come in 3 different scents for odor control. They're by FreshWave. I love them, I highly recommend them, and that is just my point of view.